Welcome to all. In the previous lecture, we learned about the nature of climatology. Today, we are going to learn about the scope of climatology. Climatology is the systematic branch of physical geography. It explains the nature, causes, and consequences of atmospheric processes and weather systems of the globe in relation to human occupants. Climatology seeks to describe and explain the nature of climate with its areal differentiations, relations to other elements of physical geography, and to human activities. We discuss the scope of climatology through the following points. First point is increasing importance in modern period. Climatology is a science plays vital role and attains vital importance during modern times. Weather and climate are fundamental or prime instruments to exercise important changes in physical and living spheres of the globe. Human activities, culture, economy, and development are basically related to atmospheric phenomena such as changes in temperature and advent or arrival of air masses. Day to day weather affects the biotic components on large scale. Economic activities of man are governed by elements of weather and climate. Hence, the study of climatology gains crucial importance during modern living man. Agriculture, industry, trade and transport, mining, fishing, lumbering are closely associated with characteristics of weather and climate. Therefore, knowledge of climatology needs constant attention of a better understanding of atmospheric elements. The second point that explains the scope of climatology is economic development and study of climatology. In developing country like India, where agriculture is the backbone of economy, study or knowledge of climate holds key position. Atmospheric conditions determine the ways of economic development in any region. For example, uncertainty of monsoon affects agricultural gains and productivity. Droughts, cyclonic attacks, famines, floods, cold and hot waves are all concerns of climatic studies through scientific viewpoint and geographic perception. Hence, planners in different walks of national development require precise knowledge about the climatic or atmospheric behavior, causes, origin, interrelationships, consequences of various atmospheric or climatic phenomena need to be studied geographically to streamline various activities. It is guideline to focus the future achievements in different activities of man. The third point of scope of climatology is increasing well precised study. Since human interruption is mounting in the physical environment of the earth, we experience erratic effects of atmospheric and climatic behavior. Hence, it is hard time to describe and analyze the human actions which are erratic. The findings of the study of climate are now well precised due to satellite information. Weather forecasting is getting more accurate results than past. Such studies are quite significant to avoid the effects of climatic hazards. The fourth point, which explains the scope, is climatology is more accurate. Scientific interferences of climatology are useful in versatile fields of knowledge. Both physical and social sciences need the increasing knowledge of climatology because climatology involves the collection of data, observations of atmospheric phenomena, compilation and analysis. There is wide scope for developing generalizations. The study of climatology becomes growingly useful for testing various physical theories. It attempts to highlight the misbehavior of the elements of weather and climate. Computer techniques, statistical applications for the data collected give more accuracy for further research and investigations in the field of the discipline under consideration. The next point is becoming vital tool of knowledge in variety of subjects. Findings of spatial patterns and interactions are of enormous use for other disciplines of life sciences like botany, zoology, microbiology, etc. Thus, climatology is vital to knowledge in variety of subjects. It is well concerned with geology, physics, chemistry and human sciences too. Hence, the scope and importance of climatology is unparalleled during modern age. It is helpful for variety of experts in versatile fields of knowledge. It can aid physical and biological scientists, medical and public health scientists, architects and engineers, agriculture expertise, town planners, environmentalists, economists, and administrators, etc. Climatology can act perennially as service to mankind at present and future. It is becoming more and more exact science. Climatology, accumulating numeral facts, analyzes them to find out prediction of another sets of climatic behavior. It is becoming more and more exact science than conventional descriptive nature of the subject. The next point, which explains the scope of climatology, is climatology and geography. Climatology is the broad part of geography because geography seeks to discover areal differences with respect to phenomena at hand. Though climatology is integrated part of meteorological science, its base rests upon geographical discipline. Events of weather and climate are frequently concern of farmers, industrialists, miners and fishermen. Hence, the study of the subject needs to urgent attention in the field of geography. The modern communication system inform us about weather forecasting, floods, blizzards, cyclones, droughts, heat and cold waves at any corner of the world, along with resulting damage of life and property, crop failure, and deaths of people. Hence, the role of geography with applied branch of climatology is substantial during the present times. The next point is focus on broad spectrum of climatic systems and patterns. Human decisions affecting the future of the earth having compelled man towards broader perception. Hence, the study of climatology has become increasingly important. Climatology, as a branch of physical geography, can act strong contribution to check the mistakes of man so that natural systems can regain their dwindling balances. Advanced countries have laid much emphasis on climatic studies. For instance, United States has established a National Climatic Program Act. Such programs aim to understand and respond to natural and cultural climate. Previously, emphasis was given only on the study of atmosphere. However, today focus has been made into broad spectrum of climatic systems and cultural climate. Next point is extended study of climatology. Climatology extends its arms into applications for resource management, environmental planning, energy supply, food production, housing, health and well-being of mankind. Several economic, political, social decisions rest upon the glimpses of climatic studies. Hence, the study of climatology is greater assistance for other branches of geography too. Environmental issues like global warming, changes in sea level, advance or recession of ice sheets in polar regions, desertification, depletion of forests, erosion of soil cover, extinction of animals invite the attention of geographical discipline. The contribution of climatological studies can focus several dimensions of the problems coupled with possible remedies. Hence, study of climatology is indispensable or essential or crucial within the field of geography.